Every high-quality batch of Acacia Confusa Root Bark, or ACRB, begins with a carefully controlled processing workflow. Once the raw bark arrives at the facility, it is first inspected and sorted to remove foreign materials and ensure only quality bark moves to the next stage. The selected bark is then thoroughly cleaned to remove dust, soil, and natural impurities while preserving its natural characteristics. Next comes the drying process. Under controlled conditions, moisture is gradually reduced to help improve stability, maintain consistency, and prepare the bark for further processing. After drying, the ACRB is processed according to customer requirements. It may be cut into shredded bark or milled into a fine, uniform powder using industrial grinding equipment. The processed material then undergoes quality checks, including moisture content, particle size, and overall consistency, before being securely packaged for storage and commercial distribution. From cleaning and drying to precision milling and quality control, every step is designed to deliver consistent Acacia Confusa root bark for botanical, research, and industrial applications. We are Medikonda Nutrients.